Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the devices and making the first connection. Plug the phone via USB-C or Lightning for best latency, or enable the phone's hotspot for Wi-Fi pairing. Once done, open the microphone app on your phone, grant microphone and network permissions so audio can pass through. Make sure the PC client or driver is installed and running. This is what receives the audio. Finally, select USB tethering or pair over the same Wi-Fi network so both devices can communicate. Once the phone is connected, configure the PC to accept its audio. On Windows, go to Sound Settings and pick the new device as input. On Mac OS, choose it in Sound Preferences. Then set sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz and tweak input gain so levels don't clip. Make sure apps like OBS or Zoom select that same input in their audio settings. If you need monitoring, enable audio monitoring in your recorder so you hear the feed and can make small level adjustments. You're almost done. Run a quick test recording and speak at normal volume. Listen for latency, background noise, or distortion and adjust gain or sample rate accordingly. If audio cuts out, switch from Wi-Fi to USB tethering or restart the phone app and PC client. That fixes most connectivity issues. For echo, disable the PC's built-in mic or use headphones and reduce buffer size to lower latency. If problems persist, reinstall the PC driver or choose a different mic app to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.